In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use GOG Dreamlist step by step. If you've been wondering how to find the feature, browse the game list and vote for the games you want. This guide will make it super simple. And if you enjoy quick and easy tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful videos. Let's jump right in. First, go to GOG and open the Apple website. Once it loads, take a look at the left side panel. This is where you'll find different sections and tools inside the platform. What you want to do is click on GOG Dreamlist from the left panel. This will open the Dreamlist area, where you can start exploring the games that are available for voting. After you click on GOG Dreamlist, you'll see an option that says Start Voting. Go ahead and select that. Once you do, GOG will take you to a list of games that are part of the Dreamlist system. This is where you can browse through titles and see what's available to vote for. Now here's the important part. When you find a game you want, look to the right side of that game's row. You'll see an arrow there. Just click on the arrow of the game you want, and that registers your vote for it. It's a very simple process, but it's a great way to support the games you'd love to see on GOG. You can keep going through the list and vote on as many games as you want by repeating the same steps. Open Dreamlist, choose Start Voting, find the game, and click the arrow on the right. That's really all there is to it. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy software and app tutorials. It really helps the channel grow, and it lets you know when new guides are uploaded. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.